Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy foam pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to the consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here we can just come to the temu.com, okay, and here we can directly search for a foam pillow at the search button. So here we can see this pillow, okay. So here is a foam pillow, so we can just select the cheaper one or the best pillow you can see. So I'm going with this at $7.88, okay. So here we can see foam pillow. So foam pillow is basically orthopedic memory foam pillow that is used to give you a comfort sleep, and it also reduces your leg pain, and it's a supportive clip for our legs, okay. So here we can see, so by scrolling down we can see reviews also. So it comes with a great review, and after we can see the product details. So in detail we have our 20, 25, 15, our length, breadth and height, okay, and here we can see other things, okay. So basically it's a perfect leg curve that gives the relaxing muscles to relax to our muscles, and we can see the foam quality, it's good and better to buy. So here we can see some highlights also. So TEMU gives us shopping security, and we can get a free return up to 18 days, and it's also give us standard free shipping and other detail. So you can just click on the add to cart button, and after that you can just click on the buy button, and you can just follow the instruction to make the purchase. I strongly suggest downloading and installing TEMU app to save your money. Thank you for watching.